Hello and welcome to this video. In this one, I'm going to show you a funnel which I recently started testing out. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it for yourself. It's about affiliate marketing and Clickfunnels. And if you're following me, you've heard these words and you know I'm using this software and I'm using this business model. So Clickfunnels is a software, affiliate marketing is a business model. I'm going to show you a funnel which is really simple. Like if you're a beginner, and maybe you have tried some things, or maybe you just heard these words but never gave it a try, then this video is gonna help you. I'm gonna show you a funnel which is already done. You need to about 10-20 minutes to set it up. So there should be a link below where you can register. It's free of charge. You're gonna register and copy this entire funnel. I'm gonna explain here on the whiteboard what this is about. And you're gonna see how you can start using affiliate marketing to generate some income online. So this video is gonna be like more for an explanation of what it is, and I'm gonna make a new video where I will show you the results that I got by testing this funnel. So it wasn't me who built this funnel. It was a guy. He calls this funnel the SAM funnel, which stands for SAM, which would be secret affiliate machine. So it's a machine. It's not really secret, everybody knows about it. I'm gonna show you the structure of the funnel so that you see how it works and why it works. So the funnel consists of 5 steps. It's built in Clickfunnels, and the first step is where you're collecting the information of that person. So you're gonna be like name here and email and then submit button. So here's the submit button. So people will enter their name here, then their email here, and then they will click here because you want to collect emails. And if you don't know why you want to collect emails, check out the videos I made about email marketing on my YouTube channel. I have like 5 of them. Okay, so after they submitted the information here, you're telling them like how I generated specific numbers. And maybe you haven't even generated like $1 online. You can use this funnel because it was created by a guy who actually made like $50,000 online. So the headline here is how I generated $50,000 online and how you can replicate this entire funnel, because that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to be replicating this exact 5-step funnel. And on the second step, it's going to be a video here, and it's gonna tell your people what this is about. And then here's a button where you're gonna be registering them for Clickfunnels, and then you're gonna explain them what to do. So this is the first step, and then there's a button continue to the next step. So here's a get your Clickfunnels account. So Clickfunnels, here's a video, and then here's Clickfunnels, and here's step 2. So this is step 1. This is then they go to step 2. Okay, so on the first step they would just get the Clickfunnels account, because that's where they will store the machine. So that's where the machine runs. That's what they call this funnel, a machine. Okay, so if for example you're gonna go through this step yourself, because you need to understand first yourself and why it's working for you before it's gonna work for other people. So the first person, like somebody comes here, you're gonna send traffic to this page, and they're gonna give them, if they're interested in how to generate 50,000 with this machine, then they would just enter name and email, and they would continue watching this video, and then they would start implementing. This is the first step. So first step, get Clickfunnels account. Step 2 is to replicate the machine. So again, there's a video and there's a button which would mean like replicate the machine. And then there's another button which would go for step 3. Step 3, okay? And then there's like step 3. This is the opt-in. This is where people opt in your funnel so that you get their email. Then this is step 1. This is step 2. Step 2. I'm gonna show you by the end of this video like how this looks in Clickfunnels, because I already have it and I'm running traffic to it so that I see how it converts. I'm using solo ads. I'm gonna tell you about this in step 3. So this is step 3, and we're gonna have like last one, step 4. Okay, step 4. Okay, So again, here's a video, and then here's a button where people, so somebody comes in, they're a newbie, they are just beginning their journey online. They have heard that you can generate money online, but how you would do it with affiliate marketing. And this is like the simplest thing they can start with, and it works. So you just, for example, you're gonna get you already have like a Facebook following, maybe Instagram following, maybe you're buying solo ads. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm buying solo ads, and I will send people to this opt-in, and they would go through the process. They would get, I would get their email, then they would get their Clickfunnels account, then they would start copying this machine in their Clickfunnels account. Then here in step 3, they will get traffic. So for traffic, in my funnel, I recommend Udimi. That's where I am buying solo ads for now, but I'm testing other vendors as well. So here would be Udimi. Okay, and if you're gonna go through the process, there's the link below. You're gonna see all of this, all of it that I'm explaining, like in practice. Like you're gonna see the practical, like how it works, and for me, and how you can get it for you. Okay, Udimi, and then step 4. So go to step 4, and this is step 4. And here is just telling them to join your group maybe, or to follow you, and showing them like other products. And the question is like, how do you make money? How do you get people to succeed with this program and make money? How are you making money? You're just collecting emails, or you're just doing what? And here's where you're making money. Like this is Clickfunnels, and if you're gonna have people register to Clickfunnels and use it, you're gonna get 40% for any purchase. And for example, the Clickfunnels software costs $97 per month for the starter plan. $97 per month, and you're gonna get 38.8 for every single member. Now, don't get this wrong. You can use Clickfunnels to do affiliate marketing, but you can use Clickfunnels to sell your own products. So if you have a course maybe, or you have like a physical product you want to sell, you can do this with Clickfunnels. But with this specific machine, with this specific funnel, we're selling Clickfunnels itself. So we're selling Clickfunnels here, people to start using it, and then they will learn the power of it. Because you don't want just to send people, okay, so you're gonna pay $97 per month and that's it. No, you want them to make money with it. And this is how they're gonna make money with it. They're gonna go through the funnel, and they're gonna set this up for them, and they're gonna send traffic, and they're gonna get their own people to use Clickfunnels, and they will get like 38.8, and this is monthly. Like every single month, they would get 38.8 for every single member. So if you're gonna get like, I don't know, 10 members, 20 members, 50 members, 100 members, then imagine, like, do the math. Okay? So this is where you're making money. Now, step 2, this is where they copy the funnel. So you're gonna put a share funnel link. They're gonna go and copy all this into their own account, and after that, they're gonna get Udimi. And here on Udimi, they also have an affiliate program. So if you're gonna sell the Udimi solo ads, you're gonna get 15% for every purchase. So somebody comes on Udimi and they're spending like $200 to buy traffic, to buy people to go to this to your funnel and to go maybe get their own Clickfunnels account. And then you would pay like, for about 400 clicks, you would pay $200. And if they're gonna buy with your link, you're gonna make 15% times 200, which would be, how much is that? That's hard math, $30. So $30, I hope my math is right, for every person that spends 200. If they're gonna spend 100, they're gonna pay, so you get how 15% works. So every single purchase, 15%. So you're making money here, you're making money here, and if you want, you can like upsell products on step 4. You can show them different other products from Clickfunnels. And now you may be thinking like, you're just getting people to use Clickfunnels, and then those people that you're getting, they will get other people to use Clickfunnels. So it kind of works like everybody is trying to get other people to use Clickfunnels. And if you're gonna work with affiliate marketing for a longer term, or maybe you already have some experience, you know that Clickfunnels is not the only product. There's so many products out there. I told you I'm an affiliate for about 40-50 programs, and I'm actively promoting like 5, maybe 10 of them. The ones that I have tested myself and I know they're a good product. That's the job of an affiliate marketer, because your position, like maybe at your job you're a teacher, you're teaching people, maybe I don't know, like you're an accountant, but here your job is to be an affiliate marketer. You're an affiliate for Clickfunnels, and you're teaching people how to generate income online with affiliate marketing. That's what I'm doing on my channel, and that's what I can help you generate income online with affiliate marketing. So you're going to be selling Clickfunnels. I'm selling Clickfunnels because it's a great product. It's not just that they're giving a great commission. You should not use affiliate programs because they have great commission. You should test them yourself and see that they're great products, and now you can recommend them to other people. That's where you achieve the win-win-win model that I keep repeating. So win-win-win is when your customer wins, so the person that's going to go through this funnel, so for example if you're going to go through my funnel, you're going to get Clickfunnels, you're going to win because Clickfunnels is a great product, and I'm also giving you this thing, and I'm teaching you how to use it. You're going to win. Now I'm going to win because if you're going to use Clickfunnels, I'm going to make $38.8 every single month if you're going to use it. If not, it's not a good fit for you, that's no problem. You still got education. I'm happy that I can get you value. Now I win because I get commission and I'm providing value for people. So that's you, that's me. Let's say you're happy and I'm happy as well. And the company, which is Clickfunnels, they're winning because they're getting new clients and they're getting new sales. So in this case, Clickfunnels is winning. I hope you see how this works and why it's a great way to start as a beginner. And maybe you already have, maybe you already are using Clickfunnels, maybe you're not. If you're using Clickfunnels, you just are going to go through this process. There's a link below. You're going to go through the process and you're going to get your funnel here on step 2. You're going to register for Udimi. Maybe you're getting your traffic anywhere else. That's no problem. And then you're going to get, you're going to see the structure, you're going to import it, and you're going to use it for yourself. And now I'm going to show you inside the computer how this looks like, the structure that we got here. So if you're going to click on the link below, you're going to get your own Clickfunnels account, you're going to get your own copy of this funnel, you're going to run your own traffic, and you're going to be able to profit out of this, and finally generate some income online with affiliate marketing and with sales funnels. And as you can see here, this is the funnel. As you can see, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first step is the opt-in, and then this is where they get Clickfunnels account. This is where they copy this entire funnel for them. This is where they are getting traffic, and this is where you can show them additional products. So I'm going to show you how this looks like. I'm going to click here. This is my Clickfunnels account. I'm going to show you, this is the first page. So how I make over 50,000, and this is if you don't have any experience, didn't generate any income online, it's no problem because the creator of this funnel has generated 50,000 in passive income, meaning he keeps getting income online because people are using Clickfunnels, they pay for Clickfunnels monthly, and he keeps getting. And Clickfunnels is not the only product, as I mentioned. Okay, so they're gonna go through this process. They're gonna enter first name, email, and if you're gonna go through this process with the link below, you're gonna see the same thing. You're gonna get the funnel for you, and then you're gonna go to step 2. In this case, step 2 is where they get the Clickfunnels account. This is the video where they can see how this works. So it's secret affiliate machine, and they're gonna get the Clickfunnels account, and then they're gonna go to the next step. So this is as simple as it gets. I don't want to make this video too long. There will be a part 2 where I'm going to show you the results that I got with this funnel. But you should click the link below and get this machine for you, working for you. Start driving traffic and start seeing some results, because there's so many people who are getting success with this funnel. And now is the time to start it, because if you're going to miss out, people are already seeing this. It's getting saturated. The more people see it, the harder it will be for you to make it work for you. So the right time to join is now. So I hope you find this video valuable, and you're gonna implement what I just showed you. And if you have any questions at all, I have a support group which is down below, which is Nick's Affiliate Mastermind, where I teach people how I manage to get affiliate marketing, work for me, and generate income online. And join that group, it's free to join. You're gonna be asked a couple of questions, and you're gonna be a part of this community of entrepreneurs who are using affiliate marketing. I hope you find it valuable. If you do, there's a link below, which is the like button, where you can click it and show me that you want more content about this. If you have any questions, there's comments. And if you want to not miss my videos, there's a button which is subscribe. Maybe it's here. And just click this link and you're gonna be getting notification when I release a new video. And I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.